Good morning students, class 12 commerce. Today we are going to see unit 1 management process, chapter 2 functions of management. What is management? Management is part and parcel of our day to day life. See the meaning. Management is goal oriented and it is an art of getting things done with and through others. Let's see the functions of management. Management functions are called a managerial process. So the process is 24 hours non-stop process for attaining the objective again and again for reaching the highest level. So the functions of management can be classified into two categories. First one main function, second one subsidiary function. Main function, first one planning, second one organizing, staffing, directing, motivation, controlling, coordination. Planning is very important in our life. So business also need a proper planning. So planning is the primary functions of management. Nothing can be performed without planning. For example, writing a book starts with planning. So think before you act or look before you leap or some one of the usual traditional proverb. Next one, organizing. Organizing means the relationship between among the members from higher position to the lower. So means top to bottom level. Organizing is the process of establish harmonious relationship among the members of an organization and the creation of network of a relationship among them. What is creation of network? Creation of network example, MD supervise the manager, manager supervises the supervisor, supervisor supervise the labor. Next one, staffing. What is staffing? Staffing means right person to choose right place. So the successful of any enterprise depends upon the successful performance of staffing function. So staffing function comprises the activities of selection and the placement of competent personnel. So staffing includes selection of right person, training to those needy person, retirement of old person and adequate remuneration of personnel. Staffing refers to placement of right person in the right job. So the success of any enterprise depends upon the successful performance of staffing function. Next one, directing. Directing means denotes motivating, leading, guiding and communicating with subordinates on an ongoing basis in order to accomplish preset goals. So motivation is very important. Leading means coordinate. Communication means from top to bottom level. Subordinates means who are working under managerial of company. So employee are kept informed all necessary matters by circulars, instructions, manuals, newsletters, notice board, meeting, participative mechanism, etc. in order to enable the employees to accomplish the organizational goals. Next one, controlling. Controlling is very important function in management. So controlling is performed to evaluate the performance of employees and deciding increments and promotion decision. So the control function is helps identifying underperformers and arranging remedial training for them. So it is control function which facilitates the synchronizations of actual performance with a predetermined standards. Next one, coordination. Coordination is main function. So cooperation is very important in our business life. So coordination is the unification or integration of the actions of all individuals. So coordination is included in every managerial function. For example, planning and coordination, organizing and coordination, staffing and coordination, directing and coordination, motivation and coordination, controlling and coordination. All the activities are divided into group wise or section wise. So under organization function, now such grouped activities or coordination towards the accomplishment of objectives of an organization. Next one, motivating. The goals are achieved with the help of motivation. Motivation includes increasing the speed of performance of a work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. This is done by a resourceful leader. So the workers expect favorable climate condition to work, fair treatment, monetary or non-monetary incentive, effective communication, and a gentleman approach. Next we going to see subsidiary functions. First one innovation, second one representation, third one decision making, and fourth one communication. First one innovation. What is innovation? Innovation means in a business, innovate means you introduce a new ideas. So innovation refers to the preparation of personnel and organization to face the changes made in the business world. So innovation includes developing new material, new products, new package, new design of a product, and a cost of reduction. Next one, representation. What is representation? In your business, from top to bottom level, all work you cannot complete the work, so you need someone to help. So that one is called the representation. So a manager has to act as representative of a company. So manager has dealings with customer, suppliers, government officials, banks, trade unions, and the like. So it is the duty of every manager to have a good relation with others. Next one, decision making. What is decision making? Decision making, that means in a business, each and every part decision making is very important. For example, purchase to sales. All the activities we want to take the decision. So that's the meaning. Every employee of an organization has to take number of decisions every day. So decision making helps in the smooth functioning of an organization. Next one, communication. The last one, communication is the transmission of human thoughts, views, or opinions from person to another person. Communication helps the regulation of job and coordinates the activities. Workers are informed about what should be done, where is to be done, how is to be done, and when is to be done. So communication is the very important in the functions of management. Thank you.